Tayo, breaking news 2 days ago. 'Di ba nag-request si Son of God, Daaw, na magpa-house arrest. Super special ka, B. Ang dami-dami niyong ginawa tapos gusto niyo mag-request pa kayo ng mga special treatment. You're no special. Ito yung balita.
The request of detained Philippine televangelist Apollo Kibuloy to be placed under house arrest rejected by the Pasig Regional Trial Court. Acting Presiding Judge Reynelda Estacio Montesa says Kibuloy's motion was denied for lack of merit. The judge said mere conjectures on the potential deterioration of Kibuloy's health are insufficient to justify his health.
Yung makukonvict ka pa nga lang, ang dami mo nang ginawa para makatakas, diba? So pag hinaus arrest ka, baka magpahukay ka na ng tunnel dyan to the highest level, tapos yung dulo talaga sementadong ikaw lang yung nakakapasok talaga. Kahit anong gawin na weapon or gamitan na weapon, hindi mabubuksan, no? Diba? Ang dami ng mga pumapasok sa utak ng mga tao na na-witness how you escaped from justice, diba? Pasansan o ano ka pa? Gigigil ako sa'yo. Tapos nung malaman-laman ko yung SMNI pala. Kaano mo pala yan? Affiliated pala yan sa'yo. O diba? Kaya pala pag napupunta tayo sa SMNI, yung mga bali-balita dyan, iba yung dating ng news nila, no? Parang super pro, Duterte. Dito pa lang alam nyo na, may mga ginagawa silang mga kakaiba. I'm not telling na gawain ng SMNI yun. I'm just telling that there is a link between you and Kibuloy and Duterte. So, there should be something. At ang kapulisan natin, hindi talaga yan. Hindi talaga titigil yan, B. Ay, walang tigil-tigil pag ganun. Ay, walang hihinto pag ganyan. Diba? Tigil-tigilan nyo ako. Ano pa, girl?
Arrest. Kibuloy is running for senator in the midterm polls. He is currently detained at the Pasig City Jail on human trafficking charges.
Yes.
Ex-Philippine President Duterte can still run for Davao City Mayor despite his arrest and detention at The Hague. Duterte is seeking to regain the post he once held before he became president in 2016. The elections chief, George Garcia, says the law allows a candidate facing charges to still run for public office if there is no final conviction yet by a court.
Meron na nga, magkakaroon na nga, tayo. But as of the moment, just give his right to continue with his candidacy. Ganun lang. Di, ito-todo nyo na yan. Napakalaking, napakalaking inconvenient and dun sa, may mayoran mo. Magwalang galang na po kasi nababad trip yung mga DDS. Magigigil na naman ako.